Solvin cold tablet. It is a tablet consists of combination of three ingredients. Paracetamol 500 mg, phenylephrine hydrochloride 10 mg and chlorpheniramine malate 2 mg अशी स्ट्रेंथ असते. टॅबलेट यूज्ड फॉर कॉमन कोल्ड and cough, fever, nasal congestion. In allergic condition, throat, nose, watery eyes यामध्ये ह्या टॅबलेटचा यूज आहे. It is one of the most important tablet for cough and cold. Thank you very much.